So friends, festive season ke baad, the most annoying thing is hangovers. Everybody suffers with hangovers. And now I have actually got a lot of recipes for you, which are hangover recipes. So the first recipe that I'm going to be making right now is called hot apple toddy. It's a perfect cure. It's non-alcoholic and it's a cure for hangover. Do try it. So let's start with heating apple juice. I'm taking a glass and a half. And to this, I'm going to add 2 to 3 cloves, a stick of cinnamon. So we put cloves and cinnamon, we let it boil for 5 minutes, and then we are going to add other ingredients like lemon juice, honey. I'm going to add grapefruit bitter to it, and I'm going to add a slice of Malta and apples. So meanwhile, let's slice the apples. Okay. And this I'm going to use the rind. I'm going to add this, the sliced apple, and the Malta, along with some rind, orange juice, and some rind. Make this drink very refreshing. And along with this, we'll add honey and lemon juice. So now it's been 5 minutes. Let it rest for some time. And then we are going to use a spoon whenever you're using a hot drink in a glass. This is grapefruit bitter, just 2 drops, just for the flavor. Wow, a warm hug that your winter needed. So this drink can cure any hangover. Do give it a shot. And if you're enjoying this recipe, this channel, do subscribe to us.